Hello, and welcome to Repeat Diagnostics in North Vancouver, Canada. The optimal collection and shipment of samples is of critical importance to the success of our testing and turnaround times. We hope you find this video a useful guide to sample prep and delivery for telomere length analysis at Repeat Diagnostics. First, you'll visit our website at RepeatDx.com. Navigate to the ordered test screen and choose your region-specific requisition. Print this out, as well as 5 copies of the attached commercial invoice. Fill out the requisition completely, including patient and test info, billing, which is your facility's billing department, and obtain a signature from your ordering physician. Results cannot be released until all areas of the requisition are successfully completed. Next, you'll want to draw 5 to 10 milliliters of blood in lavender top EDTA tubes. Dark green sodium heparin tubes are also acceptable. Invert your tubes immediately to mix your anticoagulant with the blood. Clotted or hemolyzed samples are rejected in the lab. Best days to draw are Monday to Wednesday to ensure that your blood is reached to us within 48 hours of collection. Blood samples must be kept at room temperature at all times. Please do not temporarily store your samples in the refrigerator or on ice, as this damages cell membrane integrity. Gather your shipping supplies to prepare your sample package. Wrap your tubes in absorbent material and place them in a biohazard bag. Your completed requisitions can go on the outside of this bag. In order to protect your samples from rapid changes in temperature, it is highly recommended that you send them in an insulated styrofoam container with a sturdy outer cardboard casing. This package should be sent priority overnight. FedEx offers a clinical pack free of charge, which is handled with priority through their services. Ideally, the blood will be picked up on the same day that it is drawn. The outside of this package must contain your completed weigh bill and 5 copies of the previously printed commercial invoices. Thank you for choosing Repeat Diagnostics for your telomere length analysis. Should you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us via phone or email, and we look forward to working with you soon.